Hi, it's Danny. Welcome to video 8 on the wrists. You could do dumbbells to flex the wrist joints, to build the flexors. You can use dumbbells or barbell to work on extensors. You could work from here. I don't own dumbbells. I use bands and calisthenics. But I've got a nice 1-inch bit of rebar here, so this would work for flexion and extension. Could also work with your radial and ulnar deviation at different heights. So balance challenge could be higher. And if you've got a hammer, like a sledgehammer, this is like a 9-pound hammer, then you would do some of your exercises nearer the weight, nice and easy. Further out, more challenging. Of course, it could go the other way to work on that ulnar deviation. Standing, I prefer the functional versions than the bench versions because it's more related to life. So as part of your wrist forearm strength, let's add some resistance as well. Thanks for watching.